Let's get prepared to Daniel fast. Before starting the fast, prepare your spirit, mind, and kitchen. Here's 6 simple steps. Daniel 10:3, I ate no pleasant food, no meat or wine came into my mouth, nor did I anoint myself at all till 3 whole weeks were fulfilled. Learn how and why Daniel fasted and how he benefited from fasting in my quick start guide, link in description below. Reading the whole book of Daniel is a great way to get spiritually connected during the fast. It will give you something to focus on each day and help keep you motivated throughout the fast. If Daniel could do it, so can you. Review the following videos on my channel: What I Eat in a Day Daniel Fasting and What I Meal Prep for Daniel Fasting. These videos will give you an example of what a typical day of meals looks like during my Daniel Fasting meal plan, as well as ideas for meal prepping and portioning your meals ahead of time for easy grab-and-go meals. Next, decide what you want to do this fast for: spiritual health, mental health, physical health, or all of the above. Maybe you want to break free from addictions, recover from depression, or start a healthy diet. Focusing on God's Word will give you the spiritual strength needed. Daniel 1:8. But Daniel purposed in his heart that he would not defile himself with the portion of the king's delicacies, nor with the wine which he drank. You can purpose in your heart not to defile yourself as well. Download my free Daniel Fast meal plan, shopping list, and journal PDFs. Links in description. Before making any changes to your diet, show the meal plan to your physician for approval. And here's a view of the printable meal plan. You can download and print this meal plan or keep it as a digital format. Next, you're going to shop and purchase the meal plan ingredients. Here's a view of the shopping list printable. You can print this out and take it to the store with you. It includes some approximate costs as well. Then you're going to prep the first 3 days of Daniel Fast meals using the directions in the meal plan. Here's a view of the meal prep directions printable. To make your Daniel Fast meals quick and easy, here's some of my recommendations. I recommend portioning your meals using bent-go meal prep containers to pre-portion for easy grab-and-go throughout the week. I share an affiliate link to purchase these on Amazon in the description below. Journaling is great as well. Print and use the Daniel Fasting Journal to keep track of your spiritual, physical, and mental health during the fast. Here's a view of the journal printable. I'd love to hear your experience of Daniel fasting in the comments below. Please share your successes and challenges with the community so we can all learn together. Matthew 6:17 through 18. But you, when you fast, anoint your head and wash your face, so that you do not appear to be men fasting, but to your Father who is in the secret place, and your Father who sees in secret will reward you openly. Let's Daniel fast. When you're ready, begin the Daniel fast. Follow and repeat the meal plan for 7, 10, 21, or 40 days.